CRADLE PhD offers the unique opportunity to be part of a world-leading team, developing research guided by industry need in the field of robotics, autonomous systems and AI.
CRADLE, as an academic and industry partnership, creates a fantastic opportunity for PhD students to work with both world-class academics and practicing industry professionals to develop their career around the robotics sector.
So the way that CRADLE came about at the university is, historically our group have done a lot of work with the nuclear industry, specifically Sellafield, and we'd put a lot of our robots into nuclear environments. And now CRADLE is aiming to expand that into other areas of robotics, such as national infrastructure, and seeing where our solutions can help in those sectors.
The environment that we have at least in the office space that we have, is quite light. It does make it feel quite warm to be in, to be able to share ideas or talk with our other colleagues.
There's loads of people in our office that can support us and we can bounce ideas off of. So there's the other PhD students that we normally have quite long chats with and everything whilst we're just sat at our desks. But then we've also got more technical specialists as well as the industrial sponsors. So the industrial partners at Jacobs and everything that can actually get involved and give us guidance and help influence any of our ideas and to develop into more rounded solutions.
They really give us an amazing space where we can bring anything to them, whether it's difficulties we're having in our research or if it's worries or things that we're trying to consider in our research, or even just about trying to figure out what it means to be a PhD student and really learning what that means. There's a lot of helpful resources and people around with a lot of experience in that area. That's been really helpful to get a lot of guidance and even security even through those relationships.
Yeah, there's definitely not all work and it is some play as well. So there's a lot of societies at the university which you can get involved with. So I'm part of the Robotics Society, which allows me to do a bit of my passion outside of the PhD and focus on different areas of robotics. But there's loads of societies to get involved with, like such as gaming ones. Depends on whatever suits your interests and needs.
We also have a lot of opportunities to just spend time with the research group. Normally after a big event or a big time together, we'll go out to the pub and just have some time to be with each other outside of a work perspective. We'll just spend time and also just, really cool down after a long day of work.
So to support our students, we generally help them in two main ways. The first way is by guidance. So when you're doing a PhD, we don't know what the end point of the PhD is. So it's the role of the supervisor to help the student find a sensible path to get a PhD and avoid various different rabbit holes and other problems along the way. The second thing that we offer is deep technical support. So a PhD generally goes beyond what you'll do in an undergraduate taught course, and so the supervisor's role is also just to jump in when the students get stuck and give them the technical support they need using their expertise. In terms of meeting students, we have regular in-person meetings, but the students can also contact us via different messaging applications such as Teams or Slack, or we contact via GitHub. So for smaller issues we just answer them directly, but we have our regular in-person meetings as well.
So CRADLE provides a unique opportunity for PhD students to not only get an understanding of the cutting edge of robotics technology, but also to be part of real-world practical implementations of robotics, working with customers and developers to try out new ideas in the field.